And finally, the last thing we received at the Diecast Racing Proving Grounds is from our friends over at Winsons, and a special shout out to Felix and customer service. Absolutely incredible customer service individual and best in the business. Anyways, the Airbrush marker kit they sent over, it's their newest version. They've done a lot of research and a lot of development, and they take feedback from customers. I've given them some feedback on some earlier models, and they've made some adjustments. So, in addition to that, they sent over this huge 240 marker full color kit, and you'll notice on the top of the kit there, I've got some pre-stripped castings that we're going to try the marker kit out. We're going to see how they work on race-ready cars. I'll paint some. I'll put them on the track. I'll run them over and over again, and we'll see how the paint holds up, and then I'll report back to you. But this could be a good thing for the people who are just starting modding, and you don't want them using the marker pens and other stuff to mess up your content you're creating. You like to have nice looking cars. This may be an easy alternative for them rather than the usual rattle can or the more expensive paint airbrush. Stay tuned. We'll get back to you on this one. Thanks for watching.